Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix the service did not respond to the start or control request in a timely fashion. Type regedit. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click Control. Right-click New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type services pipe timeout, S, P, and T are capital letters. Check decimal. Value data to be 6000. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.